Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's episode, you will learn everything you need to know about
Valet laundry service in hotel and resort. What is valet laundry? Valet laundry service is maintained by all chains or large hotels and resorts and responsible for handling and taking care of all guests' laundry. Hotels and resorts could have their on-the-premises valet service, or an outsourced contract with any dry cleaning house for fulfilling guests' laundry needs. Please pause the video and click on this subscriber button. Hotels and resorts provide valet service either same day, where guests' laundry is received in the morning, and provided at evening, or overnight, where guests' laundry is received in the evening, and provided in the next morning. In both cases of contracted or in-house laundry service. Contract valet service in hotel. An outsourced valet laundry service is a contract service that held under the following formal agreement. Description of the guest laundry. Requirement of laundry box or bag stamped with hotel's logo or name. Schedule of collecting and returning linen. Responsible person. In large hotels, the room attendants or bellboys may be assigned for delivering the clean laundries to guest rooms. However, in small hotels, the guests are informed by the front office department through message light. If guests are available in the message, then the linens are delivered. On-premises valet service in hotel. Comparing to outsourced valet service, it is more convenient and effective due to the following factors. Quick delivery process. More revenue-generating ability. Improved laundry service. Take care of all uniform and linen items used in hotels. How in-house valet laundry service is performed. In-house laundry service, or on-the-premises laundry service, is performed by the housekeeping department. To ensure a qualitative valet, the housekeeping department has to perform the following functions. Establishment of the schedule for collecting and delivering linen. Determination the process for delivering the linens to the guests' rooms. Attach the figure bills with the clean laundry. Setup of hotel policy for laundry by following the government law. Responsible for handling lost and damaged items. Receive guest comments or complaints. Who perform valet laundry? Valet service is performed by the valet, who has to be professionally trained in order to maintain effective laundry service. Valet staff is assigned for collecting soiled linen and returning clean linen to the valet service area for sorting, tagging. After completion of all procedures like packing, attaching bill, the valet staff returns the clean linen to the guest rooms. In large hotels, there are also supervisor for directing laundry activities. Procedure for collecting hotel guest laundry. When the guest will ask for the laundry service through the telephone, the laundry desk attendant will receive the valet request by noting down guest name and room number. Then the attendant passes through this laundry request to the valet, and also monitors the efficiency and quick performance of the valet. The valet will enter the room if the guest will permit, and start process for collecting soiled linen. Hotels provide laundry bags along with the two color-coded laundry lists, one for washing and another one for cleaning and pressing, which is available in the guest's wardrobe. The laundry list includes two-column guest count column and hotel count column. Before providing the linen to the valet, the guest should count and fill the guest count column. The valet again counts to match with the laundry list and fill the hotel count column. Besides filling the hotel count list, the valet also has to execute the following step: prices each item of laundry, and include the total amount that is payable by the guest. Record the type of laundry service that is required by the guest. For example, urgent delivery, or normal delivery. The valet will inform the guest in case of any discrepancy, before sending it for washing or cleaning. Inform the guest about the extra charge for urgent delivery, and the actual time of laundry delivery. The guest may sometimes ask the laundry desk attendant to collect the soiled laundry after his departure, then the valet should collect laundry with the help of room attendant, and take further procedure. Even the room attendants may call the valet during room cleaning for collecting laundry, if the guest leaves the soiled linen in the laundry bag. Procedure for delivering hotel guest laundry. After completing the laundry functions, for delivering the guest's linen within proper time, there are certain procedures, which are followed by a valet. For example, carry all guest laundry for normal delivery. To transfer the linen, use mobile clothes hangers. Deliver the guest's linen to the room. If guest is not available, then the valet requests the room attendant to unlock the room, and leave it in the room either in packed, or on hanger. The bellboys are also assigned to deliver the guest's clean linen, if it is delivered at night. Sometimes the guest may check out without collecting the laundry, then the room attendant should inform the housekeeping department for taking any further action by following lost and found procedures. Visit our website, hospitalityschool.com, to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.